Hi guys, Carl Gonda here. On the layout today we have 3 tank engines running. The first one is an Ormby 57 class tank engine, pannier tank engine, pulling a rake of petrol tankers and coke wagons. I believe this loco to be the model anyway, built somewhere in 70s or possibly the early 80s. A good little runner. Plenty of them about and you can pick them up 10 a penny. Well worth having though. On one of the other lines we have a Triang British Railways standard class 3 tank engine. I showed one of these in one of my previous videos, but I didn't have it running at the time. I've got it pulling my other rake of Western coaches, which I've never shown on video before, including 2 centenary coaches on the back end. On the middle line, we have a Lima Class J50 tank engine, one of Stania's tank engines, pulling a rake of Stania coaches that I hand painted. A lovely little runner, this one. As you know, I like Lima stuff anyway. Anyway guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't be afraid to leave me a comment. Good or bad, I don't mind. Anyway guys, let's watch the trains run for a little while now if you like. Thank you. Ciao.